Hi everybody, Brendan from TAT here, letting you know that we are getting back one of our favourite USA trainers, Sean Tipping, of course, the host of the Automotive Diagnostic Podcast. Now, this time we're jumping into a webinar series on how to condemn a control module. So I know we've all felt that feeling when you think it might be a module that's faulting, which is becoming more and more common as we're seeing them all around the car, but you just want that last bit of how do I really prove that? How can I be sure? So that's what we're going to go through. Obviously, Sean is doing this day in, day out with his mobile diagnostic business. Probably one of the biggest calls that he gets out to be able to go out and diagnose a control module. So really learning from an absolute pro at this that is doing it all the time. He's going to run through his methods of what we need to prove, what sometimes we can't prove, but the best way that we can go about trying to condemn those control modules. So this is a two-part series. We are doing it back to back on consecutive nights. So we're going on Tuesday, the 7th of April at 8 p.m. and then following it up immediately with part 2 on Wednesday, the 8th of April at 8 p.m. We'd love to join you there. I know it's going to be a great event. Really excited to have Sean Tipping back with us again. I'll see you there.